Finish this off, I needed 2 hands, so it's with one hand I supported the seat, and with the other I put the 2 screws, the bottom screws one, and then the upper 2 ones with the suspension follow. Remember the key number 13, and they are M13 screws. So basically there are no specific secrets, you just repeat in reverse order what you did initially. Okay, so all bolts are back in place. Now we just put the protective caps and the seat is solved. Now let's try and see whether this works. So you see now when the parking brake is on, even when the engine is on, even when I de-seat myself from the tractor engine is not stopping. So that's about all. The link where I purchased the spare part is in the description, and I don't have any affiliation with the company. Bye.